Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Thursday, April 2nd. This is Mr. McWilliams, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I hope that at some point you are able to enjoy the great weather we are having today. It's going to get a little bit warmer soon, so I hope you're able to enjoy this nice, cool morning. The first thing I want to address today is attendance, since I'm seeing a little bit of lower than I would have liked. I just want to remind you, this is how you're going to submit your attendance. You're going to go ahead and you're going to vote on the morning poll. Now, you don't have to do it at any specific time throughout the day as long as it's done before midnight. And today's question is, are you signed up for Remind? Now, I have about 62 of my 145 foundation students signed up. So we have a little bit of ways to go till we have 100%. So if you are, that's awesome. Great job. You're getting the notifications that I send out throughout the day. Now, if you're not, go to remind.com, put in your phone number, and you can sign up. If you're not sure what class to add, I've had it here. It's add 2020 LHS Ag, and you'll receive notifications throughout the day from me. Okay. Next, we're going to go over assignments. So these are your two assignments that are going to be due tomorrow. A stewardship assignment, which the document is right here, and you're going to use this link in order to do it. Okay. If you have questions on the assignments, I was on at 11 a.m. yesterday, and I'll be on tomorrow at 11 a.m. Okay. And then we also have our environmental science, which is Unit 7 notes, which are also to be completed and submitted to me through the submit button. Okay. Another thing I'm going to address is how to enter a Zoom meeting. So I have made an event today, a Zoom meeting at 10:15 to 10:45. Okay, you're going to copy paste that link right there into here, or click on the link on your phone and go to the meeting. Now, as soon as you get to the meeting, I need you to write your name in the chat so I know to take attendance. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I am on my laptop or my phone most of the days, and I have easy access to the Etsy messages, and I respond pretty quickly. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon.